Kitten was sitting in the classroom, but suddenly he needed to go to the toilet. Oh no, UFO is casting dangerous green light on Kitten's school. Everyone has become a zombie now. Kitten is in danger. Kitten made an antidote to make all zombies normal again.
Feel it, evil zombies.
It worked. Now everyone is back to normal thanks to Kitten and his bravery.
Let's go home. Hello, Mommy.
How was your day at school, honey?
The kitten got a bad grade. What made Mother Cat really angry?
Why your grade is so bad?
I'm sorry, Mom.
You will be punished.
The kitten was sitting in his room when he saw his friends playing outside.
Mommy, can I go play with friends?
No, you will stay at home.
Poor Kitten couldn't stand his mother beating him. And when the night came, the kitten ran away from home. Kitten studied hard day and night, no matter where he was to become successful.
Who is it? My son.
Hello, Mom. Mom, it's your new house.
Why I was so rude to you?
But you are my mother.
Well, luckily the family reunited. Again.